In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a friend from your friends list. If your list has gotten a bit crowded or you just want to tidy things up, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove someone cleanly and confidently. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know what to expect at each step. Start by moving your cursor to the menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the social section. When you hover over it, you'll see options appear. Click on Friends to open your full friends list. If your app window is narrow, you might only see icons. Hovering will still reveal the labels. Once you're on the Friends page, you're in the right place to make changes. Next, find the friend you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or if a search box is available, use it to type part of their name to locate them faster. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right person. Check their profile picture or any identifying details shown next to their name. This helps you avoid removing the wrong contact by mistake. Now look to the right of that friend's name for the Remove Friend icon. It usually looks like a small person silhouette with an X. Sometimes these quick action icons only appear when you hover over the Friends row, so move your cursor across that area if you don't see it immediately. Be careful not to click adjacent icons like Message or More Options. The one you want is specifically the person with an Arbeit. Click that icon to start the removal. A confirmation box will pop up to make sure you really want to proceed. This is your safety net. If you're certain, click Yes. If you clicked by accident or changed your mind, click No to cancel. When you confirm by selecting Yes, the removal happens right away. The friend will disappear from your list, and any features tied to being connected, like quick messaging shortcuts, will be adjusted accordingly. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Removing a friend typically doesn't send them a notification, so the change is discreet. If you ever want to reconnect later, you can usually send a new friend request. If you don't see the friend disappear immediately after confirming, refresh the page or reopen the Friends tab to update the list. And if you're doing this on a smaller screen, you may need to tap into more options for that person before the remove icon appears. That's it. You've learned how to remove a friend from your friends list quickly and safely.